Hi everyone, my name is Sabrina Mir and I'm a teaching assistant with the Young Scientists Program at USC. Welcome to week 3 of the special education YouTube videos. This week we'll be talking about tornadoes. Before we learn about tornadoes, I want you guys to pause this video and write down what you already know about them. Have you ever seen one in real life? What kind of weather happens before a tornado? Now that you've written down what you already know about tornadoes, I want you guys to also watch this video that's linked down below in the bio. It talks about how tornadoes start and what you can do in the case of a tornado. Okay, let's review what the video talked about. A tornado is basically a fast spinning column of air that starts from the sky and goes all the way down to the ground of the earth. So tornadoes are usually associated with thunderstorms, so they start in thunderstorms when cool, dry air meets warm, moist air, and the cool, dry air goes beneath this warm, moist air and it starts to spin really, really fast and form a tornado. Let's do a little bit of an experiment to make our own tornado. So what you'll need for this experiment is a glass jar and some water. You might need some glitter, some food coloring if you want. So I'm going to go ahead and take my jar of water and just spin it very quickly. You can spin it in all types of directions. I chose the counterclockwise direction. You can see the tornado start to form. I'm going to go ahead and repeat this, but this time I'm going to add food coloring inside the tornado after I shake it. You can repeat this with pieces of foil or glitter too and see what happens. So here in California, tornadoes really never happen. I've never experienced a tornado in my life, and I've lived in California my whole life. We have more earthquakes and that kind of thing. But tornadoes are very common in parts of the South and parts of the East Coast. So let's talk about some things that you can do in case of a tornado to keep yourself safe. So a lot of people find themselves sheltering in a basement. A lot of homes on the East Coast and the South have basements that people use for tornadoes. So the reason why they go into a basement is because it's underground. It doesn't have any windows that can shatter from this fast-moving air. Another alternative, if you don't have a basement, is to go into a room that doesn't have any windows. You want to go into a room on the lowest floor of your house and cover yourself to protect yourself in case the tornado hits your home and breaks it open. You want to keep yourself safe. Make sure you're prepared for a tornado with anything you might need, some electrical devices, some food and water. This is the same for any natural disaster, so you should have these for earthquakes in California too. The diverse scientist for this week is a woman by the name of June Bacon-Bercey, who was another meteorologist who studied the weather here in the United States. She worked for a lot of different organizations, including the National Oceanic Atmospheric Administration, the National Weather Service, and the Atomic Energy Commission. She worked a lot to increase the participation of women, especially women of color, in the fields of meteorology, and her specific field of interest was to understand the effects of hydrogen and atomic bombs on the Earth. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next week for week 4 of the special education YouTube videos.